What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here. Hunting season has finally arrived for youth anyways. So we're out here today trying to get some of the guns lined up. My son, he's going to be hunting with my 30-06 this year, so we're going to shoot it. And my daughter is going to be shooting the 30-30. And we're just going to take a couple shots to see if we can't. Well, hopefully they're lined up, but hopefully we don't have to make too many adjustments. So I'm probably going to go ahead and shoot first just to see if we're pretty close. And then I'm going to let them shoot a couple shots and then hopefully go from there. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready to shoot this 30-06 out of the vise here. I am shooting at 100 yards. Hopefully it's pretty close. I'm shooting at about an 8-inch target down there on that TV box, so hopefully if I hit it, should be able to see it. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, definitely in the splatter zone there. Looks like it's about an inch low and about an inch to the left, so I'll make some minor adjustments and then let them start shooting. Alright, so my son's getting ready to shoot here at 100 yards. Let's see what he can do. Take your time. Alright, here's second shot with the 30-30 after adjustments. Alright guys, so just walking up to the target here. I thought I hit to the left with my second shot on that 30-30 after adjustments, but come to find out, that's about as perfect of a bullseye as you're going to ever get. So I would say that gun's definitely lined up. Alright, my daughter's getting ready to shoot the 30-30 out of the vise here. This is her first shot. She's a little nervous, so let's see how well she does. Make sure you put your other hand up here, okay? Like, there you go. Alright, hold on. Safety's going off. Just squeeze the trigger, don't pull it, okay? Alright guys, we are in the tree stand now. We started out the video doing some shooting to get the guns lined up, and you know, we took a couple shots off camera. Everybody was good to go, so we got everybody lined up and comfortable shooting. So we started out this morning. My son, he came with me first. It's been a rainy morning. It was raining all day yesterday, and the weather was actually calling for rain all day today, but I just happened to, we was planning on not going and just going in the evening, but I ended up getting up pretty early, so luckily it wasn't raining, so we thought we would just give it a shot. So I'm actually shooting the intro after the hunt, just because it was a little rainy this morning and dark, but just stay tuned because I feel like there's going to be some action here. I'm on it whenever you're ready. I'm ready. Right. Smoked a 6-pointer. Are you sure? Yeah. Did you see it go down? Yeah. It's like back here right now. It's gone. Shh. Instead of she gone, say it. No, I ain't saying all that. Say it. He gone. Such a cornball. Alright, guys. I shot him free-handed, like I couldn't see. And there was like a little stick. So I just went like this. Alright guys, well, as you just seen there, my son, he just looked like he laid the hammer down to looked like a 6-pointer, so not a huge buck, but you know, it was his decision if he wanted to shoot it. I asked him several times, you want that deer? And he said, yes, I want it. So I gave him the green light, and he looked like he put a pretty good hit on it. It was it wasn't very far. It's been raining all morning, and I didn't even hear it come in. I just happened to look to my right, and there was a deer standing there literally probably 25-30 yards from us. So he got the gun ready and got swung around on it, and took a little bit of maneuvering, but he laid the hammer to it with the old 30-06. He moved up calibers this year. Last year he shot hunting with the 30-30, and he wanted to move up, so this year he got the 30-06. So he's had a rough couple of youth seasons past couple of years, so I think this one he feels good about. What do you think?
Yep.
Is that all you got to say is yep?
Yeah, I wouldn't have shot it if I didn't have a crappy year last year.
Yeah. So, he did have a crappy year last year. But, we're going to give it a few minutes. I'm pretty sure I seen it go down.
Back here, you could see it.
But we're going to give it a couple minutes here and then go check it out. If we can see him from the stand, it looks like it was weird. Tree limb just fell out of this tree for no reason. Trying to see if we can see the body or see the deer from here. See its body. Should be laying. Yeah, I think I can see a little bit of fur right there.
Yep, that's it.
So he shot it at about 30 yards, and it only ran probably about 40 or 50. I think that's it right there.
Yeah.
But we're gonna walk up here and check it out. Seven-pointer?
Yeah. I drilled him. You can see. Not very hard. Not too bad.
Yeah.
Maybe it.
Alright, y'all. So, as you can see here, we found this deer. It's looks like he's a 7-pointer, so he's what do you think? He's got a weird looking rack. He's definitely a young deer, but you know, for a youth hunter, that you know, I always give him the final decision to if he wants to shoot or not. And he's killed some bigger deer, so this is what he wanted. And are you happy with it?
Yep.
Well, as long as he's happy with it, he don't have too many youth seasons left, so we're gonna get this deer taken care of, and hopefully we'll be able to get my daughter on one here. But yeah, Pretty proud of you. Good job, son.
Thank you.
Take and hook you a little hole right here. And you gotta get in that gut cavity. Just a little hole. So just take your knife and stick it down. Ian, this stuff's leaking all over your deer meat. We gotta get it out. I can't do it. I don't have no more gloves. Alright, y'all. We are back after it again this evening after our morning hunt. Got my daughter with me this evening. She's going to be running the 30-30. As you can see, we're set up in a blind. We're try to do a little pan around here in a second, but we're essentially just sitting in a clear cut with on the edge of a clear cut overlooking some woods. So it's super hot this evening, so I don't think we'll see anything until right at dark, if we see anything at all. But fingers crossed something comes out and she's able to get a shot off. But anyways, guys, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're just going to shoot a quick intro. We're back after it here again this morning. We decided to hunt a different spot, and we're not in our blind. We're just, as you can see, we're kind of sitting in basically a brush pile. So fingers crossed we'll be able to see something here. Alright guys, well that is going to wrap up this hunt. Youth season is only 2 days here in Virginia, so we only got to hunt Saturday and Sunday. We ended up seeing those 4 does, and then we had turkeys all around us all morning, and for whatever reason those does picked us off, but it was about 100 yards and I just didn't feel super comfortable with her taking that kind of a shot. I think they ended up seeing us move around a little bit, trying to get situated to get her on target, but you know, that's just kind of part of hunting. That's just how it went for us. I do feel like she'll be back in staying with me as gun season comes back in for us later on in the year. Are you looking forward to going back with me?
Yes.
Yeah. So I've been super proud of her. She's not complaining one bit. She's actually surprisingly got out of bed before me this morning. So just looking forward to things later on, and that's going to be my personal goal, is to make sure she gets a deer this year. But anyways guys, if you like outdoor hunting, fishing content, please just do me a favor, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.